Top of the day to you guys and girls. Just heading over to the PO to pick up a little tiny mini quick camera thingy majigamy, which is a little camera that you attach to your drone to get some decent video footage. It should be in today, so I'm going to go grab that and do an unboxing. So stay tuned. Well, here we are, guys. Welcome again to another unboxing. Judging by the size of this parcel, this is the SQ13 I've been looking for. 1080p, 150 degree wide angle, Wi-Fi. Apparently it's got night vision. Apparently it didn't come from China, it came locally, but you know what, sometimes people don't tell you the truth on the internet. So I reckon it came from China because it took 3 weeks to get here. So here we go, the SQ13, and I think there's an SQ12 and SQ10 or 11 as well. This is the latest model. Car recorder, outdoor sports, marine sports, aerial, home burglar, wide angle lens, 155 degrees, Wi-Fi, so you can control this little camera with your mobile device. You can attach it to a drone. Apparently it gives you pretty decent 1080p footage, so let's see what's in the package. Parameter, do we need to know that? Now this one here, there are two different variants you can get online. This is the waterproof one, so you get a little waterproof case. I'll just read out what's in the back here. So it's AVI video format, video coding is in MPEG, resolution ratio 1920 by 1080, high def at 30 frames per second. Picture format is obviously JPEG 16:9, image, your usual computer. It's a 300 milliamp hour battery, so pretty tiny. Working time they reckon about 90 minutes, so yeah, we'll see how much we get out of that full charge. Micro USB 2.0, TF card, polymer lithium battery. Okay, LiPo battery, very good. Wide angle lens, so okay, so you get a mount, I believe this one here is magnetic, so it is. It's not a very strong magnet, however I suppose the camera is quite light, so we'll check that out. On the other side is a 3M, so obviously single application only, so think about where you're going to stick that, otherwise you have to use some super glue. What have we got in here? A cable, micro standard USB cable thingy. Your standard instruction booklet, which is probably in every language, including English. One would hope that I read these very much. Okay, so it tells you the app you can go to. There'll be a little video showing up on the corner here of the app and what the app looks like, so have a squiz of that while I'm dribbling away here. Functions of the buttons, we'll get to that in 2 ticks. I'm sure you guys haven't got all day, I like to hurry these things a little bit. Yeah, it's plastic, but it looks pretty cool. Can you use this with your GoPro? Standard GoPro SQ13. Ooh, I'll tell you what, they look pretty similar. Let's have a look, shall we? This will answer all your questions straight away. Can we use the SQ13 outdoor mount with a GoPro? And the answer is yes, we can. There you go, folks. If you want to get an SQ and you want to use the waterproof mount, you're not sure if it's going to work with your GoPro gear, and I'm here to tell you Yes, it is. So completely interchangeable between the SQ13 and all your GoPro gear. Okay, what do these buttons do? Quickly. So we have your standard on-off button, which is a big one that shows on-off. Number 2 is the mode slot. So obviously you put your little SD card in there, micro USB. The 0 up there is, well, that changes your mode, sorry. Yep, okay. Power, mode, micro USB. Indicator lights at the front here, which show quickly for you guys: power indicator, night vision indicator, Wi-Fi indicator, and video recording photograph indicator. Okay, there you have it. And I hope to have these on the screen for you guys too, so you can have a quick squeeze away, have a look at this. But build quality looks pretty good. 4 little screws underneath, steel, plastic, lens. Nothing comes off, nothing comes apart. So if we turn it on, nice long press there. So it looks like the power is on. And power's off. There you go. Don't actually know how to use this, I'm just messing around. So if I press this one here, I don't think anything's going to happen because there's no card in it. And I think because the battery's flat, it's powering down. So all I'm going to do is charge this RRP, this little device, about $40 from Tom Top in the end, I think I got it from. But yeah, first glance, looks pretty neat. I'm pretty impressed. I don't mind the waterproof case either. That looks does add a bit of weight, but it looks pretty cool. There's a plastic cover on there which we can rip off. We'll do that in a minute. But yeah, cheap little addition to your drone action. Absolutely well worth the money. Alrighty, check out next videos. Thanks for dropping by. Smash that like button and all the other hoo-ha you guys know to do, and support's awesome. And I'll see you in your next video, and see you in the sky. Bye for now.